Today on William's Adventures, I am going to show you what I've been working on because the party is going through Alcazar's appendix, which is in the Candlekeep Mysteries book. And when you go through this adventure, you wind up being in the Anarauch Desert. So, I built a desert and a temple. So I'm going to show you what I got. Alright, so what I did was I took a piece of, one of the cardboard I had, and I covered it in glue, and glued sand to it. And this is actual sand, as you can tell. And then what I did before I built the sandboard is I built the temple. And just so you get this scale of this thing, that is 1-inch squares. Yeah. And I actually started from the very middle and worked my way out. So these were actually the last thing I built. It is built out of cardboard. Just so you know. Now let me take and put this on the sandboard over there, and I'll show you what it looks like. And so we have a rough idea of, what this thing actually looks like. It's actually pretty cool. So, working from the top in, what this is a double doorway system here that open, and here, in here. And these are actually pillars. And you see right there, there is a stairway going down. And then when they go down, because in order to get to this, they have to climb this stairway. This is to scale. So, as you can see, rather than building a bunch of stairs, I just drew lines on here to show the angle of it. Alright. So then, once they actually go down, this whole thing lifts off. And there's stairs that go down there, all the way. And as you can see, these are placed so they can place their minis on here. And this will be featured in my game tonight. Well, there we go. Figured you guys would like this. And if you want to take and see how big it is, well, let's see, where's my tape measure? The piece of cardboard is 32 or 3 foot, 2 foot 8, 32 inches by 39. And the structure itself is approximately 13 inches tall and 15 inches wide by 24 inches long. So yeah, this thing's actually pretty big. Look, there we go. And this way they get the actual feeling of the sand on there, so they can actually touch it. Now, some of it is loose. I can't really help that. But there we go.